In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best floor lamps in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which floor lamps is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, MediAcous Floor Lamp Remote. 5 brightness and 5 eye protect colors. MediAcous floor lamp has 5 levels of brightness 20% to 100% and also 5 color temperature levels 2700K 5700K to choose from. Easily tailor your illumination experience. Stepless dimmable, as well as finger tap adjustment, are both available. Smart remote and touch control. Remote and also touch regulate both can transform the flooring lamp on and off, change the illumination or color temperature level as you want. The remote control layout permits you to easily manage the standing light without leaving your cozy couch or bed. Flexible gooseneck layout. 360 degrees flexible gooseneck enables the LED light head to turn up, down, or sideways, as well as aids route the light to any kind of area you need it. Smooth gooseneck layout. Light matches quickly with any residence decor design. Timing and memory and electrical outlet available. 1-hour timer function reminds you to take a break in time, helpful for your eyes. This light can also be used as an evening light. Here is the item number 4, Dimunt LED Remote Floor Lamp. Super bright lights. Dimunt floor lamp built in 112 computers high brightness LEDs, as well as with arcuate lights layout which can enhance light variety. Up to 1000 lumen is enough for reading in living space or bedroom. 15 watts LED high lamp as opposed to halogen lights melting 100 watts, with 50,000 hours lengthy lifetime. You do not need to change any light bulb, very hassle-free as well as saving energy. Flexible colors and brightness. This standing lamp personalize your experience by choosing lightness from 10% to 100% brightness, and also stepless shade temperature level settings ranging from 3000K 6000K, and additionally has 5 personalized versions with a remote. Clever remote and touch control. You can conveniently manage the flooring lights without leaving the couch, as well as a warm bed with the remote control. Simply push a switch and obtain the best brightness and shade temperature for analysis, working, leisure, breastfeeding, and sleeping. Safe style and eye defense. We designed the modern flooring light with your safety and security in mind. Its heavy base and also strong layout make it safe around youngsters and family pets, because it will not quickly idea. The LED floor lamp does not heat up so that you do not shed on your own when you touch it. Memory function and easy to mount memory feature can memory your illumination, as well as color with last utilization. With soft and rotatable gooseneck makes you can regulate the lights to light up any kind of product completely. The item number 3, Adlon LED Modern Shelf Floor. 3-way storage space, Adlon shelf flooring light with 4 rates, each board usage high density fiber product, which tons 50 extra pounds max. You can put image frames, plants, publications, or any type of product on it. Likewise, the light self is heavy sufficient to stay clear of falling down. 50,000 humans resources LED bulb. The rack light includes one 3000K LED bulb, which can supply 50,000 humans resources lifespan. It suggests you do not need a modified light bulb for many years. Likewise, the LED light bulb conserves 50% more electrical expense each year than normal incandescent light bulbs. Top quality lamp shade with soft light. We supply an attractive lamp shade. It makes of high-grade material. The lighting with the lampshade becomes soft and gentle, which produces a comfortable and also comfy atmosphere at the night. 15 minutes easy installation. We offer a comprehensive guidebook and installation video clip. This lamp is easy to mount and normally can be completed by one person. The whole light decors your living room, bedroom, office, or any kind of home corner. It's simple as well as quadrate style suit for all equipping styles. Textile lampshade. The white lampshade is made of a top-notch product. It comes milk-like shade when the light turns on. In the meantime, the lampshade softens the light to produce a cozy and also cozy ambience during the night. Number 2 in our list, Pazzo floor lamp with shelves. Genuine strong wood, our flooring lamps with racks are made from solid wood with a stable framework and are high-loading and durable. The non-deforming high-density beech framework, 1.5 inches thick, can bear up to 20 pounds daily needs and enhance stuff like push-button control, dolls, plants, flower holders, or publications. 2 rapid billing ports as well as 1 power outlet feature. Our most recent rack floor lamp light has 2 charging ports and also a power electrical outlet, which can bill 3 gadgets like cell phone, pad, or Bluetooth audio speaker in the exact same time. Easy assembly, features devices for setting up, and a guidebook with an assembly chart. Just screw in the screws, put the white light color on. It may just take several minutes to establish. 3-shade temperature LED bulb included. Our rack flooring light consists of a 9-watt, 1000 lumen power-conserving LED light bulb. The LED lamp bulb is 3-shade temperature levels 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin. Our flooring lamps with shelves are best for bedrooms, living areas, reviewing rooms, and offices. Liberty storage space as well as show. The 3 rates timber panel is valuable and also beneficial. Along with build 3 electronic tools on the 3rd power panel at the same time, these shelves can additionally be used as storage space for books, remotes, or cellular phones. The top one in our list, JOOFO LED Modern Torchiere. Several control ways. With the remote, you can quickly regulate the flooring light without leaving the couch and warm bed. Add-on touch control, stepless brightness change, brightness from 5% to 100% by lengthy touch. Using life longer 20% than others. With high brightness and low warmth LED advanced modern technology, it has the brightness of a 200-watt incandescent lamp. Long-term use will not warm up as it's made up of acrylic materials. The light has a lifetime of approximately 100,000 hours at the right current and voltage, which indicates reduced maintenance and also substitute expenses, entirely saving money as well as power. 3 color temperature levels and also stepless dimming. The JOOFO floor lamp has stepless illumination adjustment along with 3 flexible color temperature settings from 3000 K to 5000 K, for warm white, all natural white, and great white light. It remembers your settings between uses and also when power is disturbed. Save area and also safe base. The base is really heavy, safe for your infant as well as pets. The base supplies great security from falling that can make sure safety as well as stability. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best floor lamps amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.